So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to rotate text here on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, go to the top, add some text to your design. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on rotate just like this. I'll then make the text a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. Now if you want to rotate the text, so if you want to like make it go upside down or sideways or whatever, press on the text right here, go to the top right to where it says arrange, and then scroll down to where it says rotate. Now you can change the angle manually like this if you want to do this slowly. You can go ahead and do that. Or what else you can do is you can grab the text here and you can sort of flip it or rotate it whatever angle you're looking for. So very simple, very straightforward, but that's how to rotate text here on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.